to my channel. My name is Domini and today I will be doing a first impressions video of some lovely kimchi chic products. Starting out with this gorgeous, absolutely adorable Teddy Kim palette. It has got a mixture of some shimmer shades, some neutral tones, some blushes, and some highlighters. So a lot to use in this palette. Even came with some adorable stickers to decorate your little bear. I'll also be trying out this color correcting and concealing palette, as well as the Glam Tears liquid highlighter, which looks stunning even in the bottle. And finally, putting this lip pencil to the test. I don't use it in this video, but moment of appreciation for the cutest pencil sharpener ever. So jumping into this beautiful palette with my lids prepped with concealer, I took that brown shade in my crease with a fluffy brush. Then, of all the really pretty shimmers in here, that purplish pink was really calling my name. So I took that on a brush, but I quickly realized that I liked the application with my finger much more, just because it was more of a creamy kind of gel, which I didn't realize at first. But after applying that thoroughly on both lids with my finger, I'm going back in with that same crease brush and cleaning up the edges where the glitter got a bit out of control. And now going in with the Undercover Bleep palette because my toddler little sister watches my videos. I am using that red shade to color correct. I really liked the thick texture of this because, some color correctors that are too thin, you can't really get a good application that actually covers the discolorations you want to cover. But I just took that all over the areas I wanted to color correct and blended it in with the brush. I didn't get any of the kimchi chic foundation, concealers, or base products, so 1 second while I get my base applied. I'm now taking that darkest brown in the palette as my contour shade. I'm going for a really light contour and just doing pretty thin lines since it's my first time trying it out and I wasn't sure how pigmented it would be. But this blended out very nicely. I did it with ease with my finger for my nose contour and then used a blending brush for the rest. And the little tiny bit I used created a really pretty subtle contour. And before moving on to blush and highlight, I am doing a quick spritz with the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Now taking the Glam Tears liquid highlight, I'm putting some really small dots, not even squeezing any out, just using what's on the applicator on the areas I'd like to highlight. And as you can see, it's very beautifully pigmented. I was into it, and I was just blending that out with my finger. If I was using this alone, I would definitely layer more, but I didn't because I want to go in with this powder highlight on top. And bam! Do you see that? Okay. Obviously don't have to say a lot about this highlighter. I clearly love it. It's so pigmented and really pretty. I applied it to all my high points and then moved on to using blush. This was the only thing I wasn't a huge fan of. The color was not very pigmented on my skin tone. What you're seeing here is after I applied a couple of layers, and as you can see, it's not very noticeable. I do like my blushes really pigmented, but you might like it if you like a more natural blush. But anyways, I am here applying the lip liner. I believe the color is called Vanilla Bean, but I'll definitely link it below. I really liked the consistency of this lip liner. It's comparable to like NYX lip liners, which are an all-time favorite for me. So I applied that and then put a gloss on off camera, sprayed my face, and here's that final look. Overall, I'm super impressed with this line, a bunch of really pretty, blendable, and for the most part pigmented products, as well as really innovative, unique, and adorable packaging and product designs, which I always appreciate. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.